paddy separator machine is used to separate the brown rice from the paddy that is not behusked. It works according to the difference of specific gravity, granularity, and friction coefficient between paddy and brown rice. Through the special separating tray to screen the mixture, continuously making it in stratification state. Due to the function of separation, big density and small size brown rice towards the upper of the separating tray. Small is specific gravity and large size paddy towards the lower part of the separating tray. Then separating pure brown rice mixture and pure paddy. When a mixture of paddy and rice falls on a separator having a serrated surface and is oscillated at the appropriate frequency, rice settles down under the layer of paddy. If the inclination of deck exceeds the angle, friction between the rice and paddy, the paddy moves down the deck on the top of the layer of rice. The capacity of paddy separator machine is 3,000 to 4,000 kg per hour. The paddy separator machine uses a specially developed high-efficiency recessive system to separate cargo rice and paddy from each other, according to their specific weight and product's outer surface structure. Even though the paddy separator machines are specially designed to work in paddy processing plants, it works in lentil processing and seed separating plants. Please watch the video regarding to paddy separation machine.